Hello everyone. Today I will present my hypothesis test on sleep duration among students and compare it to a global average reported in a scientific study. Let's begin. Self-reported sleep duration for adult worldwide is 7.01 hours. For this assignment, my goal is to determine whether the average sleep duration from my sample of 30 students is different from this reported global mean. To investigate this question, I use the following hypothesis. Null hypothesis H0 is equal to 7.01 hours, whereas the alternative hypothesis H1 is equal to 7.01 hours. I collected my data using Google Forms and obtained responses from 30 students. Here are the summary statistics from my sample. Sample mean is 6.68 hours, standard deviation is 1.34 hours, and sample size is 30. First, I calculated standard error, which is SE is equal to standard deviation over square root of sample size, which gives 0.2451. Next, I calculated t value, which is sample mean minus hypothesis mean over the standard error SE, which gives minus 1.33. With 29 degree of freedom, the p-value is approximately 0.193. Hypothesis test result. Since the p-value 0.193 is greater than the significance level of 0.05, I fail to reject the null hypothesis. This means that there is no enough evidence to conclude that the true mean sleep duration of students is different from the 7.01 hours. My sample does not contradict the value reported in the article. Next, I constructed a 95% confidence interval for the true mean sleep duration. The interval is 6.18 hours to 7.18 hours. Since 7.01 hours lies inside this interval, it is a reasonable value for the population mean. This supports the same conclusion as the hypothesis test. To summarize, my sample mean was 6.68 hours. The hypothesis test showed no significant difference from the global mean of 7.01 hours. The 95% confidence interval also includes 7.01 hours, supporting the conclusion. Therefore, based on my sample of 30 students, the sleep duration is similar to the world average. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.